Hello all. Uh, Today I'm going to explain on the student portal how to build a multi-container using the Docker Compose. So here this is the main root folder of student portal. In that I've created a backend folder in this Docker file. So here in the Docker file it will use the Python image 3.9 and it will set into the working directory in the main app, and also it will copy the requirements.txt file and it will install the fast API uicon, and it will run the pip install requirements.txt file and it will copy the backend code and it will expose to the port 8000 and it will run a fast API using the uicon. So in the backend folder there is a main.py, so it will import from the fast API, it will import from the copy 2 and there is a, it will expose like welcome to the student portal, and there is a function over here which will define and it will return a message to welcome to the student portal. Here we have another function, will get students from the databases. So database name is studentdb, user is user, password db, and it will connect, which will select star from student, it will fetch all the records and it will return the connection will close and it will return students with the data. And this is the requirements.txt file which is needed, fast API, uicon and Pfizer. So afterwards this is the frontend file, this is the frontend folder. It consists of the src file, in this index.js, and there is a docker file. It will take a node 16 as a build and it will have a working directory, and this will first copy the package.json and it will run the dependencies and it will copy the rest of the front-end files. So these are the front-end files, and it will build a React app npm run build, and this will serve with the ngx and alpine, and it will copy from a default folder in the nginx and it will expose to 8080 port. And this is the Docker Compose which will connect with the front end, back end and the databases. This is the version 3.8 and it will have services, like it will run the services like front end, back end and databases, which will build the front end which will expose to the port 8080. It depends on the backend, like it will wait for the backend to start, and network, like this is the connection student.net backend. This is the build, it will build the backend. There is a port 800 which has the environment like database, and it will, this is the database, and this will run the image like postgrad SQL 13 environment. This is the user, password and database, and this is the port which has been run over there. and this is the volume network. So this is the complete explanation of the student portal using the Docker Compose. Thank you.